Welcome to Internet Law for Small Business, brought to you by Struer Law, and I'm Stacy Struer. Today we're going to be talking about information security and what small business owners need to do to protect the sensitive personal information they collect from their customers and clients. It's important to protect this information because loss of this kind of data can result in such things as identity theft, harassment, embarrassment, even fraud. So what kind of information are we talking about? In this context, we're talking about a person's name, address, phone number, maiden name, and identifying numbers like social security number, driver's license number, tax ID number, financial information, account numbers, credit card numbers, and personal characteristics like photographs, especially of a person's face. So here are some good policies to follow. Number one, if you don't need it, don't ask for it. If you're running a pet grooming service, you don't need the customer's social security number, so don't ask for it. Number two, know what you have and where you have it. Number three, keep it secure. Protect this information from outside threats like viruses, malicious code, and spyware. Use strong firewalls to separate the different zones of trust within your computer system. Regularly update your system to protect against security problems and improve functionality. Have backup copies of everything. Implement an internet usage policy. Use good screening practices when you're hiring employees, and train your new employees on the proper handling of this sensitive personal information. Limit access to the information to only employees who need to have access to it. And number four, if you don't need it anymore, dump it. But if you do dispose of personal information, make sure that you do it in a way that complies with your local statutes or regulations. In Illinois, in January of 2012, the Personal Information Protection Act became effective. And according to that act, any personal information must be disposed of in a manner that makes it unreadable, unusable, and undecipherable. Number five, a small business should have an incident response plan because even with the most comprehensive policies, personal information may still be compromised. A laptop can be lost. A hacker can gain access to the personal information on your system. It's important to have this incident response plan because 46 states have notification laws in place, and most of those notification laws have a provision that requires businesses to notify their customers of a security breach as expeditiously as possible. Finally, number six, if you have privacy policies in place, be sure and review them. Make sure that your business practices comply with the stated privacy policies. It's especially important today because recently the FTC has begun challenging businesses which have operating practices that do not comply with their privacy policies. So that's it for today on information security. I'm Stacy Struer. Thanks for joining me.